Hey guys, it's Kayla from Pumps and Pouts. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a first time viewer, welcome. It is Pride Month and I thought what better way to celebrate than with a beautiful rainbow inspired Pride Month look. I actually was on Pinterest the other day and was like trying to find some inspiration and stuff. So there's a lot of really cute looks and a lot of really advanced looks, and I'm not that advanced, but I thought, let me give one of these looks a stab and see how it works out. So this is the one that I found on Pinterest and I really loved this one. I thought it was really cute and also kind of doable. I could do it. There's a lot. There's some technique to it. Cut crease. I've gotten better doing them, so I felt comfortable attempting it. So I'm testing out this one here. I didn't get it dead on. I wasn't really trying to, so I was trying to kind of make it a little bit my own. But I thought it was fun and I did have a really good time trying to create it. I used a lot of the new COVERGIRL full spectrum collection, so especially with the eyes, I definitely wanted to make sure I gave that a shot because they had a really nice rainbow kind of colored palette to choose. You'll get to see that and a few other things. So if you're ready to check out how I create this look, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. For sake of time, I have done my eyebrows and I have put on primer. I used white primer, so I know I look a little crazy right now, but I used the white primer so that the colors can really pop when I'm applying them on. So we are going to start off with my base shades. So I'm going to be using just some shades that I got from ColourPop. So this one is Try Me that I'll be using first. And I'm just going to apply that pretty much all into my crease area. Next I'm going to take, this is Meteorite. It's another single of theirs. I'm going to take that and blend at the top of this one, at the top of the purple shade. Then I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Electric Palette Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take the yellow shade on here and go back over it because it's really vibrant. Okay, so now that that part's done, I'm going to be using I'm using this COVERGIRL Full Spectrum eyeshadow palette here, and this is in So Saturated. Oops. So I thought this would be a perfect palette to create my rainbow shades with. Love these shimmery colors here. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Before I do that, I'm going to go back in with some more primer. I'm going to take more of the white primer and create my cut crease. Okay, so now I can jump into this bad boy here, and we're gonna go ahead and lay out the rainbow shades. So first, actually, I'm gonna go back in with the purple shade in my outer corners of my eyes. So now we're gonna take the blue shade here and lay it right next to the purple. Blue is so pretty. Very, very pretty color. Next, we're gonna take the green shade here, and we're gonna pack that one on. Now we're gonna move on to our yellow shade here. I'm gonna use this one. And then I'm going to use this kind of like orangey shade here. Well, it's not like orange, but I think it's orange enough. And then there's not a red on this palette, so I do have a shimmer red, one of the Deck of Scarlet singles. And I just broke it. I just totally broke it. Well, I just kind of broke it, but I have enough to do what I wanted to do with it. It's Caitlin. Crazy thing about this look is that I was going to do my lower lash line, but it looks like I kind of already did it, I guess with the fallout, but works out for me. Alright guys, so now that we're all done with our eyes, we're going to go ahead and move on to the face. So first I'm going to start off with some primer, and I'm going to use the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition Mattifying Primer. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. So now I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting underneath my eyes just to take care of a little bags. So I'm going to use this, I'm going to use the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Contour and Correct Expert. And I'm just going to use their orange shade in there and kind of get rid of some of my under eye, dark circles under my eyes. I also went around the smile lines of my face because they also are a little dark too, and kind of on the verge of my nose where I have a couple dark spots. So I'm going to blend this out. Just kind of dab it a little bit. So now I'm going to apply my foundation, and I'm going to use the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition foundation. Alright, so foundation's on. I'm going to go back and use my Contour and Correct Expert. I'm going to take the darkest shade here and contour my face. Now that I've contoured, I'm going to go back in with some concealer, and I'm going to use the Full Spectrum CoverGirl All Day Idle Brightening Concealer. And this one is in shade... This is deep. So I'm gonna set that with this full spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition All Day setting powder, or powder foundation actually. And I'm just gonna go back over underneath my eyes and kind of set that with this. And this one's in shade Tan Golden. I'm going to take the shade 445 and go back and kind of set my contour. So now I'm going to add some blush and some highlight. And I'm going to use their, the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette. Use this one here. This one is the Rose Rush one. It's this really pretty rosy shade for my cheeks, and then I'm going to use this Center Gold highlight shade. Ooh, ooh, that one, that's bright. But they toned this down a little bit. But it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. No worries, buff it out. Now we're gonna add our highlight. Highlight. Oh yeah. Bam. Perfect. So now we're going to set everything in place. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And so we're just going to spray all over. So now that's all done. Now we can do a lip color. I'm thinking, I was going to do a color, but I feel like because I have so much color going on with my eyes and my ears, I'm going to do just a nude. And this is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum. It's one of their lipsticks here. It's like it's a shimmer nude actually. This is it. This is the nude, and I believe it's nude, probably like a little metallic nude is what it looks like. Oh yeah, so it's like a metallic nude, really pretty. And voila, we're all done. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a blast creating this one and, you know, really learning how to do this properly. I'm shocked, you know what, for me to have never done this kind of look before and this advanced of a cut crease look. I'm actually proud of myself that this came out really good. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you love it, please subscribe to my channel. You can catch me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook at Pumps and Pals. So make sure you check this out. There are a couple of new blog posts that are up. I will put some links down at the bottom if you want to purchase some of these fabulous products that I have listed in this video. You can also check out the links below as well. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Happy Pride Month.